Hello friends, we at Bajato are presenting today the lamp
SL594.
This lamp is a front indicator. It has two functions, the front indicator function and the front position function. It's a nice flat base lamp. It has two bolts and the distance between these two bolts is 45 mm. The lamp has a polystyrene lens and a polypropylene base. This lamp can be used in different kind of vehicles. This is applicable in small trucks, in tractors. Specifically, if you see the Kubota MU 4501 and 5501, which has been recently launched in India, the front indicator lamp is this lamp. So we can use 12 volt bulbs and 24 volt bulbs. So this is a magnificent lamp from Bajato Automotive Lighting.